Hi, are you ready to know more about our company? Soundland have OEM, ODM service from research, development and capacity of manufacturing, including SMT, dip, test, burning, assembly, etc. OEM experience have Bluetooth anti-noise headphones, electric guitar effects, sound processor, digital audio mixers and other audio instruments. ODM experience have iBiomedi electro stethoscope, AGV, maker hart mini audio mixer. It is iBiomedi S2020 electronic stethoscope, single-channel handheld cardiopulmonary assisted stethoscope. Do you like our product? Contact us now.